Traders want to collect 1 crore 10 lakh raw hides at this Eid at a price set by the government. For this purpose, 142 tanneries are ready in Savar's Hemaipur leather industry city. Tannery owners also say that there is a less chance of loss due to sufficient supply of salt in the market. They suggested that salting the skin of the animal within 5 to 4 hours of the sacrifice to get the fair price. The traders also said that raw hide outside Dhaka will be collected a week after Eid. Now there is enough supply of the salt in the market. The price of also about 300 taka less for a 74 kg bag than last year. As a result, even if it's a hot weather there, it is less possible for the skin damage this time. However, tannery industry owners say that if the city's waste management and the CETP are not completely fixed, the country's leather industry will not survive.
নগদের কাছে সব গ্রাহকই প্রিয়, তাই তো সারা দেশে ক্যাশ আউট চার্জ সবচেয়ে কম।